how much that just comes up straight away. Whoa! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. So if you've been following the last couple of videos, you'll know that I've been trying to soup up this little mini dirt bike behind me. I'm trying to get some, low down torque and power, because out of the box, it wasn't that great. 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery, and it was a little bit sluggish. So far we've changed the battery. We've gone from 48 to 72 volts. We've tried using a phase runner controller. It all kind of improves it. It makes it a little bit faster, but nothing on the bottom end to really get that grunt down. I want to try and get that back wheel kicking out, a few power wheelies, that sort of thing. So what I've gone and done today is I've put a Sadverton controller in. Now the Sadverton controller can just kick out a load of phase amps really low down in the range. I mean, it's a big old controller, and I use the same controller on my big bike. So I've gone and shoehorned the controller right in there. You can see it just about fits. The battery, yeah, it doesn't really fit. This battery is kind of holding up okay, but there is a weak cell in there, so I'm gonna have to strip this back and replace that if I want to use this properly. Also, I'm going to use that opportunity to just rejig that pack and make it into a proper square, so it actually will fit in this block here, because it was actually designed for the vapor bike, and it's sort of a bit triangular. So yeah, it's all in, configured and done. So I've just run out the road, and it is absolutely ridiculous. Like, it literally just will wheelie at any RPM. I'm not sure how hot the motor is going to get or anything like that, so we're going to give it a little run. The controller is probably pushing about 100. I think it's set to about 120 amps or something, and about 200 amps of phase current. So yeah, it's pushing it with this motor because it is quite small, but we'll see what happens. Okay guys, here we go. So I just had a little run up the hill. Like, I'm pacing this out, guys, because I want you to see the full potential of this. But yeah, basically just shot up a hill that normally it would be like full throttle and it would be struggling to get up. It just shot up. Okay, right, here we go then. So I've got the BMS being recorded, so you'll be able to see the real-time current and everything else going on. There's a couple of you were saying, yeah, about the old cell number 6. It's definitely got some issues, but we'll sort that out. As I say, I need to rebuild this pack into a sort of more of a square shape. Right, let's just get past these guys up here. Hey, hi, Super 73 boy. How you doing, mate? I'm just doing a video at the minute. That looks nice as well. Okay, just chatting to the guy with the Super 73. I love that bike. Right guys, so let's get straight to the cut straight to the chase. Basically, this is what it does now from a standstill. So you can see how much that just comes up straight away. Whoa, it is pretty damn ridiculous. You can't really give it too much beans, because I'm just going to end up flying off the front of it, or the back of it. And then acceleration wise, yeah, it's just crazy, absolutely crazy. It feels like you're actually on something with an engine. Also, from about here, if I plant it, it will just spin the back wheel up. Oh, no, it chucked me off the back of it actually. Right. It is how it's meant to be. Absolutely love it. It just feels dangerous. That's what we're trying to do. It's a handful, an absolute handful. Sounds amazing, doesn't it, as well? Oh, so muddy. Front wheels coming up all the time. It has got some pretty good grip though, as well. That's the other thing. Seriously, this thing is an absolute blast. I'm going to it'd be interesting to see what what it's doing on the BMS side of things, because I'd like to know, like to be able to see what it's so good. Whoa, front wheel's up again. I think I might need to turn it down because that front wheel is just lifting off all the time. I've got room to turn this right down, basically, because it is bloody handful. Hopefully you'll be able to see from this, like, this is how it should have been from the beginning. I need to check the motor actually and just see. Wheelie machine. Again, I'm not skilled enough to be riding this thing, really. But it is a laugh. See, the front wheel just comes up. I'm probably best to like hold on the front, push on the front. Right, let's just see what's happening on the motor side of things. See how hot it actually is. No, not warm. Not even warm. Controller is not either. I mean, if you were blatting around flat out going uphill, I'm guessing you're probably that's gonna heat up, but at the moment I don't think we've really got that problem. Right, for some reason the GoPro wasn't recording that last little blat, so oh god, so annoying they do this. So I'm going to give it a another little go. It's addictive. I think I can feel something happening on the chain. Oh, might be the cog actually. Something's ridiculous, honestly, it is absolutely ridiculous. So crazy guys, honestly. Probably don't need to tell you that because it probably looks like it as well. Just hard to keep down. So yeah. That's big power guys, big power. So I'm happy basically. All I need to do now is just maybe rebuild this battery a bit, and basically just make it a little bit better. Maybe another cell in there, another parallel cell in there, just to give you a bit of extra run time, or just use lipos. That is just next flipping level. There you go, that's what I was looking for. Absolute animal. happy with that. Right, back now. Motor's warm, just off warm. It's not, I wouldn't even say that's hot. So, you know, it can handle just bursts of just ripping around. And I think it does help that you've only got like a sort of low capacity battery, so you can have like, you know, a shorter run time, or just, you know, don't go crazy with it, but, you know, just have a little blast here and there, and that should actually handle that no problem. It'll charge up pretty quickly as well. I haven't checked the footage back for this Cell 6. I know loads of you are going to be saying Cell 6 is just going to die. But yeah, it's probably going to be getting warm in there. Actual fact, you can probably feel the outside of it. It's definitely more warmth around there. It's probably where Cell 6 is, but the rest of it's just, you know, it's just slightly warm, lukewarm. I'll replace that cell bank anyway. This battery's quite a good bit of kit, because actually, when I built it, I'll leave the link for the description where I built this battery. I used like kind of copper wire on the interconnects to basically, so it can handle the current a bit better. It's a nice battery, really is. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I have. I'll catch you in the next one.